everyone, this is Annmakes, and thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome into my studio. If you are new here and you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Annmakes in the corner of the screen. And when you click on the bell until it jiggles, that means YouTube can notify you whenever I post new content. And my content will include lots of hauls, especially dollar store hauls and craft hauls, some DIYs and how-tos, and lots of crafty things, because that's what I'm all about. That's what I like. So as some of my viewers already know, I do love shopping at the dollar stores for my craft supplies and for home decor and just really inexpensive snacks for my family. So here we go. This is my this is a Dollar Tree haul that I have to share with you. I previously filmed a haul about Christmas at the Dollar Tree, and I actually found some Halloween stuff after that in another Dollar Tree. True story. Very funny. Okay, but first I want to show you this. I found these signs, and this one says 5 more minutes, and you can see the game controller here. And then on the other side, it says eats, sleep, game, repeat. And again, see, so since my sons are big gamers, I thought this would be really fun to give them these signs, and I'm hoping I can hold off till Christmas and this could be like a really big stocking stuffer. So yeah, these are available at Dollar Tree. I saw them in one and only one Dollar Tree. Then, as I said, I went to a Dollar Tree and I found some pretty pumpkin boxes. I did haul a small box. I think it was this one. Yes, I had hauled this one already at another store. And then I went to another store and I saw some bigger boxes. So I grabbed them. Excuse me. So I got this one that says autumn. This is what it looks like on the side. I really like these boxes. They're so cute. Then on the inside, it says harvest and has a pumpkin. And pumpkins. So they're so cute. Can you believe this? Dollar Tree. Crazy. So this one says fall harvest. That's what it looks like on top. And then the sides, and the inside cover says fall harvest, like the outside, and the inside has this like greenish color with some cream colored maple leaves. So I think these are really pretty boxes, and I'll show you this one again. This is from a previous haul. But I'm going to show it to you again because it's part of the same set. And I think there may have been another pumpkin one, but I don't have it here. Oh yes, I found it. There is another one. So the next size is this one. And here you have this green pumpkin, and check out the sunflower pattern on the sides. So pretty. And then on the inside, it says thankful. So there we go. So these little pumpkin boxes can be stacked up. Like so. Or you can display them however you want. You can present some baked goods in here, small presents, or good size presents in here to someone. And yeah, there's different things that you can do with these, and I might actually use one as a gift box for my son's birthday, because his birthday is in October. As I said, this Dollar Tree had some Halloween decorations that I have had trouble finding Halloween decorations and Dollar Trees in my area, and I know that this is something that is usually available every year, so this may be old stock, but I really wanted some more creepy cloth for a DIY, and so I was happy to find them. Luckily, I still had some in my stash from last year, so I was able to work on my project nonetheless until, even though at first I couldn't find any of these, but I did have the product in my stash. So now I have more product to do more projects. And by the way, that video isn't out yet of the project, because there's still editing to do, and that's the thing. The DIY videos, the craft project videos take a lot more time to edit, and yeah, that's why there's less of those. I saw this wall decoration and I had to have it because of the cat. I just love the black kitty cat there with the cauldron. So I got that. And I also got this one, which is a brick wall. So these measure like 42 by 72 inches. So they're just a plastic, like very thin plastic that you can use to decorate your wall. And yeah, I just really like the cat, so I had to get it. I saw these funky, they're kind of like a ceramic pottery candle holders, and they have like a space in here. So they could be used as pedestals, they could be used as candle holders. They come in white and black. They're nothing really fancy. The paint is pretty matte on them, kind of rough, but I thought there could be some DIY possibilities with these, so that's why I picked them up. I picked up these little bowls, these little silver plastic bowls, because they seemed really cute. Yes, they'd be great for little snacks, for, you know, a party or a get-together. But I thought they might also make some nice molds or some nice flowers for some sort of other DIY project. So there you have a dual purpose. I found these giant paper clips and I had to get them because they're so adorable. So you get this one, the ladybug, the flower, the frog. There is also a bumblebee one, and another one. No, that's it. Sorry, thought there was another one. Okay, so the next thing I have to show you is some decorative tape that I found. I love this one with the gummy bears. It's so cute. Gummy bears. And this one is really cute too. It's got a dinosaur theme. So this, I definitely did not have anything like this in my collection, so I grabbed them. And I grabbed two of the gummy bears because I really like the gummy bears. So, and then, oh, the llama. I got one with the llama. I know llamas are very popular with a lot of people. So isn't that fun? So I got that one. In the health and beauty section, they had, I've never seen this before, Dollar Tree. They had this package by Sassy and Chic of mascara wands. Who knew? So I thought, well, these seem interesting, and they have different types of bristle, like how they're made. So I thought, oh, I'm not sure if it's intended for you to, if you don't like the brush that's in your current mascara, you can switch it out for this, or I'm not sure. But anyway, you get 8 in here. And I picked them up because I thought I probably can come up with a crafty use for these. So that's why I got them. That's always my excuse, crafty use. I saw the Crafters Square letter stickers, alphabet stickers, and it's the first time I saw some in gold at any of my stores, so I got some like this. They're very foily reflective, and I picked up some more of the white ones because I've used these before, and of course, you know, when you're making words, you use certain letters more than others. So, you know, if I want to, yeah, make more words, I need more letters. Got more of those. I got a big bottle of glue. I just wanted to see, in comparison to the 2-packs. We used to get 2 bottles of glue in 1 pack, and I still have that. And when I got home, I checked. So the 2 bottles were 4 fluid ounces each, and this one is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. So it's just 1 bottle. So it's just like less packaging for the same quantity, basically. So you get the same value. That. And I saw these wooden rulers, and I haven't seen wooden rulers in a while that don't have a metal edge. I just wanted them for the wood and the numbers because I thought they would make some cute DIYs. And last but not least, in this bag, I found 2 more of the little crayon boxes, little plastic crayon boxes, and I think that these are really fun for storing small embellishments. I don't think they fit index cards. No, they don't fit index cards, but they fit other kinds of papers. You could put a bunch of notes in here. They're just great, not only for storing crayons, but also pastels, chalk, and just a lot of embellishments and crafting supplies you can store in these, and they're just, you know, very easy to store. Everything stays nice and neat. So that is that for that Dollar Tree haul. Yeah. So I hope you found something in there that is to your liking and you are inspired to get your craft on. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.